Underscore Audio Zone. No, go to Audio Zone, pick up your rims and tires, ask for me. All type of good deals. So
yeah, like you heard it, man. If you need wheels and tires, come to Audio Zone, 1230 North Beltline Road. Phone number is 972-513-0111. Reel to Reel is actually one running the wheel department. You could come and see him personally as he come to help you get your car looking unique.
That's what I actually have to memorize because I don't know your number. Like, dang, I be stuck in time.
We're over here.
Hey, I don't be knowing what to say, what number to say. Only know the address of the shop. That's the only thing I memorize.
Yeah. Right now, if y'all see where we at, look at that's Audio Zone over there. Look what we got going on, guys. We got his factory wheels. We've already removed off his TPMS sensor. This is a little sensor that goes inside your wheel that actually tells you when your tires are running low, when you need air and pressure. Because this is actually coming off the original unit you see off the floor. I've already separated. I've already taken the gap off, and I'm installing on the new Lexanis. So we got the Lexanis on the machine already. After we already put the TPMS sensor on. What I'm doing now is getting the tires. These are universal tires, but they actually have a tread which we have to go. So if this is going to be considered the front left side, driver's side of the vehicle, and that's what it's going to be. For y'all don't know him, this is Adam. He's the guy who owns the store. The video I put a minute ago, right across the street from Audio Zone. He's the Puerto Rican Arab. He's literally Arab, but from Puerto Rico. He's been a great friend of mine. We've done a lot of things together. It's been an honor and a pleasure being able to have him. He got you giving us, letting us use this video today in the spot and doing the mounting the tires here, and hope everything goes right. If it doesn't, we'll just sue him. I mean, that's just simple as that. So now what I'm doing, I'm actually bringing it in here. There's a rubber. If you look at these machines, they got a rubber piece here. Once you get it aligned up, you have to lock it here, and you have to set this up here to make sure that the wheel doesn't get scratched along the turning. So that's what this is for here. So now we got it nice and tight. Now we got this situation here. Now comes the hard part. We're trying to get this tire on this low rim here. That went smooth.
That went easily.
Yeah, but that's not the hard part.
I know the hard part is that part.
We got Tatiana's first wheel done accomplished today. You can see it's
Tatiana.
very low with Tatiana. What is it?
Tatiana.
Tatiana. I gotta say Tatiana.
Tatiana.
We have Kareem here. He's actually an expert. If you ever need your wheels and tires mounted, really come and see Kareem. What's the address here, Adam?
1225 North Beltline Road, Irving, Texas.
When you come out here, you must say that you come in for the video so they know that this actually, you guys came from that part of business, right? But he's got Tatiana's first pair of shoes going into the driver's front. We're gonna go ahead and get her on the balancing machine. After we balance her, we'll put her on, have a sneak peek of what she will be looking like. Little by little, we'll get all pieced together today and we'll get this all situated, guys. So Tatiana is coming together. She finally got some brand new Jordans.
عندهم 44,000 subscribers.
Putting the lug nuts on. Spike lug nuts. A little bit more expensive than the regular lug nuts, I know that. Well, way more expensive. Make sure y'all subscribe to HELLCAT right now while you're not doing nothing. And like this video. I'm recording on his camera. Yep, he got the G7X camera just like me. So he can push y'all good quality videos and not on the phone sounding like he's drowning in the water. But it's all good. Now I'm in the second one up. Got this side on. Time for the backs. Ooh, that's gonna chop. That's gonna chop. Little spikes. Yeah, it look crazy. Address again?
1225 North Beltline, Irving, Texas.
Irving, Texas. Okay, make sure y'all come up here and this mobile one. Say it again.
Mobile One New Express.
Already, y'all make sure y'all come up here and see them. They gonna get you right every single time. All right, man. Yo.
That's what I look like right now, guys. I'm tired, but you know what? We got the bad boy done. Tatiana, bad girl done. That's the finished result, guys. So we got the 24s. They don't rub, they don't hit. He already did a test drive on it. No hitting, no rubbing whatsoever. Could be some modifications done to the wheels now, but it's exactly what he was looking for. You can see her all the way around. She looks sexy. She looks really, really good. I'm actually loving the way it came out looking. She looks way different from anything else out there right now. That's definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely look way different than anything else out there. So she looks really good. Lexani's done a great job in making these wheels. We've been out there in the market for many years. Lexani's a great wheel. This one just got finished up and popped together. She is pretty much ready to roll. We're gonna do a little details and get her ready to go and get it out to the streets. She look good. She look real good.